Hi guys, welcome to the gameplay viewer. And today I'm gonna show you now. If you have a problem, the screen is turning off. All you need to do is to go to the App Store and download Screen On. So that is a problem for all phones that the phone is turning off. So to do it, I'm gonna show you how to do it. So first up, go to App Store. And all you need to put is to download Screen On. Go to Screen On and you will see a many Screen On designs. So all you need to do is to find the logo that's measuring you up. So let's stop. Keep Screen On. So skip Screen On. Oops. There we go. Now keep Screen On and download this one. I already download that Keep Screen On. Download that app and I'm gonna open that up. The app. I'm gonna open the app right now. This is very quick tutorial. So never let your screen turn off when you wait. It go. So select as many apps as you want. Selected app running the foreground, your screen will stay on. By using the app, agree to the following. Okay. Oops, sorry. Now it's agree on it. So let's back on it. So what we need to do is to click the app that you want. So you're not turning off. Let's put that on. Pokemon Go, Facebook Messenger, anyone? No. All we need to do is go right here. The Facebook, that's all you need. So that's all you need to show some apps. If you want to hold your system on it, just click on it or whatever you have on it. But it's more better, more nicer. So I'm gonna find I'm gonna find a gallery. I went that on the App Store, of course. Oh no, I don't like that. So that's all I have to turn on. And to back it, all you need to do is to click it all the way so you know your screen, your game's not turning off. So for example, you're playing Pokemon Go. Where this is the Pokemon Go actually Niantic screen. The whole game's not gonna turn off. Your phone's gonna turn off. You need to wait until the game's open. It's not gonna turn off. So sign up for Google. Here we go. Okay, right now. So wait. Turn a little of the music. You know, we have now the Pokemon game, so the game's not gonna turn off whatever you want. If you wanna turn off, it will gonna push the button, the power off, so it gonna turn off. So guys, thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, the gameplay viewer. Today I'm just running all the way, whatever I have on it. And so see you next time. If you subscribe to my channel, so see, I'm gonna running right now. I'm really tired, so thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Welcome to the gameplay viewer. Bye.